Equals, does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson SV12 may exhibit symptoms such as reduced suction or strange noises, indicating a failing motor. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further damage and a complete loss of functionality. To perform the repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, and some basic cleaning supplies. First, ensure the device is unplugged. Carefully remove the dust canister and any attachments. Use a screwdriver to open the casing, taking care to note the location of each screw. The motor is typically located near the base. Gently disconnect any cables attached to it. Remove the old motor by unscrewing it and replacing it with the new one, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are secure, and reassemble the casing, tightening all screws firmly but not excessively. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and ensure that no debris is blocking the motor. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.